Apache Village RV Center. We're actually standing in our service center right now in front of the Jayco Jay Feather 19 MRK. The nice folks over here, the Hermans, are picking this up today, getting their red carpet treatment from Devin, doing their walkthrough. But before this unit leaves, this has had a lot of attention, wouldn't you say?
I would say a bunch of attention. I mean, heck, one of our employees owns one.
One of our employees, Quinn, owns one. It is a wonderful unit, you know, 23 feet, under 6,500 GVRW. I think it's 6,400.
64.
Yeah, and I think dry weight under 5. With the options we have on this, might be slightly over 5. But Adam and I are just going to do a quick spin around this. I'm going to hand him the mic. We haven't been stocking them because we have the 21 mmL, but I think we're probably going to be changing that soon.
We need to change it because this floor plan that we have, guys, I mean, is amazing. It's like, when we get inside, you're going to see why it's so awesome.
Absolutely. Spin this around here for Adam real quick.
We've done a little bit of fabricating, so this will give you guys an idea on what we actually do here at Apache. When we get inside, I'll show it to you. So up front, you have your two 20-pound tanks, power tongue jack, battery, just your standard stuff that's going to be up there. Devin, again, is going to go through, run you guys through everything on the camper, show you how to, you know, switch the propane tanks on, hook the camper up to and from your vehicle, go over the battery, what it runs, how it's charged, all that good stuff. So through the side here, when you look in this compartment, you're going to see some cabinet doors that are there, and I'm going to get into what those are and where they're from. Again, a little bit parts of the fabricating process that we do. Again, Jayco's 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty from the factory. All your sidewalls are vacuum bonded. No matter if it's a Jay Feather, if it's an Eagle, if it's a Pinnacle fifth wheel, they're all built the exact same way. We won't get too in-depth detail about that because we have 30, 40 other videos and we can get into that later. Outside speakers, LED light, full length awning. That's the one thing I do love about the 19 MRK. It's from the back of the camper to the very front of the camper. It covers the whole campsite. Hook up for a TV outside, so if we do have a Sunday, you want to watch some football, race cars, whatever, you have it. Tankless water heaters. I'm gonna stay here because Devin's got the furnace on and it's warm. So
it's cold today, man.
It is cold today, so we do have the heat on inside for them there. But then all Goodyear tires, some standard we're doing still on all of our Jay Feathers. Nothing's changing there. Then getting to the back, all your Jaycos, besides a select few of our price point leaders, are going to have a ladder on the back of them. It allows us to get on the roof. It's a full walkable roof on all of our campers, no matter if they have a ladder, if they don't have a ladder. You can get on the roof, walk around, 3/8 plywood, and you know, that's one thing that a lot of manufacturers don't allow you to do is walk on your roof.
Yeah.
You want to walk on your roof to check all your roof seals to make sure all that stuff's good, just general maintenance to protect your guys' investment.
There's literally a wood truss system in this roof, similar to the way a home's built, which is crazy.
Yeah, the Magnum roof truss that we use it. You'll hear us in all of our videos talk about the Magnum roof truss, Magnum roof truss, Magnum roof truss. It's a roof truss that Jayco builds in-house. We do wood pleats, or metal pleats on either side of the 1x2 that meets the 2x2 inside of it. We crown it, arch it, put our insulation in it, and boom, it's ready to go. All your feathers are going to come standard with the hitch on the rear. So units like this, we're going to get a lot of SUVs. I mean, Quinn's got a Jeep Wrangler that he's towing this with. Take a bike rack, put it on the back here, take our bikes with us. We don't have to shove them in the back of the vehicle, or we can get a little platform so we put extra coolers, bags, stuff like that back there. We're all good to go.
Grand Cherokee, actually.
Grand Cherokee.
Yeah, don't put this behind a Wrangler. What?
Oh, sorry. Grand Cherokee. My bad. My fault.
We'll be wheeling down the road.
Yes, it will. Outside shower, hot and cold on all of them. Black tank flush, city water connection. A lot of that stuff's going to be standard on all of our, actually it's standard on all of our campers now, even down in our J-Flight SLXs, it's standard on that.
Got a slide out awning up here.
We added the slide topper for them. That was something that they wanted us to do because, again, they didn't feel like they wanted to climb up on the roof and, you know, sweep that off. So therefore now he doesn't have to. They can close it up and you don't have to worry about the leaves and everything, puncturing those slide seals or anything in there. And then John just hit on that, the big ram that's there. That's our cog drive ram system. So that's going to be a full flush floor system when we run it out. So it's not on cables or anything like that because this slide out does come out 3 feet. It does have our recliners on it on the inside. I want to make sure it had the recliners instead of the couch. But that way it's going to give that support when it's actually out 3 feet and we're sitting on this like that.
Absolutely. Let's take a look at the inside.
All right, let's head in there.
Like I said, this is just kind of quick hits. We want to just show you guys the floor plans. These have been so popular for us already. This is what you can expect, guys. I mean, when we come in and you're going to pick up your unit, you know, we've basically set this unit up, simulated a day of camping in it. We test everything, pressure test the water systems, pressure test the gas systems, get everything running in here, and obviously try to find any issues. We try to break it.
Yeah,
they
we
come from the Jayco factory pre-PDI though, so very rarely do we even find anything wrong.
That is the nice thing with Jayco's, with them being pre-PDI'd at the factory. Like when we get into it, like I literally can hand you guys the keys and say, you know, see you later. But we won't do that because that's not who we are and what we do. We want to go through and double check everything because something could be wrong with it going traveling from Jayco to here. So we're going to go through, gas check it, water check it, fill it all up and everything of that sort. So 19 MRK. So TV's up here. Got a strap that's here. We're going to pull that down. Then this is going to swing this TV out so I can angle it over to my couch or my bed. But then also behind it, lift this guy up here. Swing that and unlock that one, swing this open, so now you have all that extra storage that's back there. So if you wanted to get a satellite dish and put it in here, you can put your receiver back there. It's out of sight, out of mind, and all that good stuff. Or, you know, what does everybody else want in their camper? We always want more storage. You can never have enough storage. So we're going through and giving you as much storage as we can in every possible spot that we can that's there. But then look at this countertop. You got a 19-foot camper and you got 10 foot of countertop space.
Yeah,
the whole length of this. Lights on the bottom side of the cabinets. 110 outlet here. Another pop-up outlet with your USB, USB port here. Again, push that down. You don't want it there, push it down out of the way, and it's ready to go. Radio, cabinet doors. So we talked about a little bit of modifying and what those cabinet doors and those style boards came from. This is what we installed. So this is a factory option from Jayco that I can add a fireplace to. So we didn't have this one with it. We didn't want to do that. So what I did is I called our rep and he gave me the part number. I got the fireplace. We came through, put it in. There's an outlet that's back there behind this cabinet. So we lost a little bit of storage, but a day like, you know, 50 degrees at night and 70 during the day, I don't have to turn on the furnace. I can turn this heater on because it's a 5,000 BTU heater. It's going to heat this camper up. I've done it in a lot of bigger campers in this, and it heats those guys up. So you get in a small camper, it's gonna run you out of here. You're gonna need to take the blankets off when you're sleeping because it's gonna be so hot. But then couch, right? So we have the couch with the armrest that's gonna be in the middle with the 2 cup holders. We have our 2 drawers that are underneath of the couch. Then we have our full Murphy bed behind it. So I like it because when we fold this down, that is a bed if we wanted to use it as a bed. But then also, there it is. When I fold this down, it's a true queen size mattress. It's not some foam that's put together like all of our competitors and it's a tri-fold. It's an actual queen size mattress. So if you don't like the comfort of this mattress, which we started paying attention to, it is actually comfortable to sleep on. You can go to the store and buy yourself a queen size mattress, put it on here, it flips up, boom, it's up there, out of sight, out of mind. I like the Murphy bed because, don't tell my wife this, but I don't like to make the bed. So I can just take this, lift this all back up. Now my bed's, it's made.
Yeah, and up one hand, folks, right here. You shove this thing, it's right up out of the way.
Yeah, so that's the nice thing. I'm actually gonna flip that back down to make these easier to see over here on the side, because this is the cover for the bed. Pull me. Slide it open. So now I can throw my cell phone, glasses, you know, bottle of water there, aspirin, what have you. I can throw all that stuff in there. Yeah, security system. Wireless USB ports in the corners as well. So you can set your phone right on it. You have a USB cord that's there. That's that. And then 110 outlets on the side. Hanging cabinets, or you can use it as a shelf. You got the removable shelves that are inside there. 19 MRK is going to come standard with the big 14-inch vent fan. So a nice night out, I don't actually have to go through and turn the air conditioner on. I can open up all these windows. I mean, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 windows, 8 maybe? No, we got all the cabinets. So seven windows that are all going to open. You turn that on, it's an attic fan. It's going to pull so much air through here and it's going to cool this camper down. Keeps you, you know, allows you to camp without electric if you wanted to.
Yep.
But then 13,500 BTU air conditioner. It's all thermostatically controlled. Your furnace is thermostatically controlled. So you set the temperature, it's going to kick on and off according to
Coleman
the
mop.
temperature.
That's what we have in our fifth wheels.
Yeah.
And ducted. And a unit this size, a lot of times you're just going to have your direct dump AC. It's just going to shoot the air in here. You might have little flaps to adjust where the air is going, but you don't have the climate control or any of that too in a unit like this.
Yeah. Theater seats. In this particular floor plan, you have the theater seats with the 2 removable trays that are here for us. But then also this will lift up and give you all that storage that's there. Usually it's just dead space. So Jayco will put the countertop, put it on a hinge, so that way I can go through and actually use it for, you know, good usable storage. 110 USB on that side. Again, another storage right in the middle there. And again, another 110 USB for the floor. So if we're sitting in the recliner. They do this a lot because of the tri-fold sofa option that we can have. So you have the power and everything that's there. That little countertop, it goes away on the tri-fold sofa because we want to put the couch in the middle of that there. Standard 190 watt solar panel on the top, 30 amp controller. So therefore you can see how much voltage we're getting from it, all the amperage and everything that's there. Coleman Mach, there's your thermostat. So you can go through, adjust it, set your temperature, and you can walk away. I'll sneak by so that way John can get in the bathroom because the bathroom is a little tight, but this shower is huge. You're gonna dirty their floor. Yeah, that's one thing we don't like to do is dirty their unit. But
and this thing is spotless when you pick it up, by the way, so that's how we roll.
Huge vanity, medicine cabinet, tons of countertop space, a huge linen closet on the side over there, toilet paper roll.
There you go.
Talk about it. No one else is putting toilet paper rolls inside our camper, so
the little things, huh?
Little bitty things. And then we do the pocket door that's here. Oh. Close that off, and then there is actually a lock for it, so when you are in the bathroom, if you want a little bit extra privacy, if you got the kids with you or grandkids, you can take that and lock that, and you don't have to worry about them coming in on you if you're taking a shower. And then John's gonna have fun opening the refrigerator door because you can tell he has But 12 volt fridge, it's the 8 cubic foot refrigerator. Fridge is on top, freezer's on the bottom. So it's nice because, you know, it is actually low, so where I can get into it and not have to have a step ladder to get on top of everything that's there. So
it's good.
And then cabinet door below it, 2 cabinets that are below the kitchen sink. Those are gonna be a little bit closed off. Nope, this one's open. Because back on the back right side, you have your water lines, your furnace, and then your tankless water heaters all back there. So if we ever did have an issue, I can pull that panel off and we can access everything. Makes it a lot easier for us to get into and fix a problem if we run into it. And then you got your 3 drawers there, and then you got your big pots and pans drawer on the bottom side of your stove. I mean, these are all full extension, you know. 4-side, well, they call it 5-sided wood drawers because you got 4 sides of the drawer, which are all plywood, and then an actual real drawer, rear wood drawer front on all of the drawers. All your drawers are going to have the roller guides, but then also you can hear that click at the bottom. It's a magnet that's going to help hold that cabinet or that drawer closed. So when we're going down the road, they're not flying open. All your pots and pans and everything don't end up on the floor when you get to where you're camping.
Awesome. I think that's about it, right?
That's it.
You guys are getting a sneak peek though. So after this customer, when the Hermans are done doing their walk around with Devin, we get their truck up here, we're going to have all their hitching installed, give them a quick run through on how to install their hitching. I can't remember what system they had.
It's just a standard round bar. Nothing fancy, but you know, having that stuff is one thing that we make sure that you guys are going out down the road safely, correctly. You know, not only for you guys and your family, but also for us and our families, you know.
Everybody on the road.
We want everybody on the road safe. So we'll go over all that good stuff with them. You'll be here, you know, for hour and a half, 2 hours, depending on how many questions you have, depending on the size of the unit. This little guy here, they'll probably be here for about an hour and a half-ish. Yeah. But yeah, after that, you know, we'll go through and show you how everything works.
It's not like buying a car where somebody says, congratulations, here you go, good luck. No, there's a lot more to it. You know, our professionals are here to train you. If it's your first one, great. If it's your 10th one, 15th one, we have customers like that too. They might go through their walkthrough a little more quickly, but actually, it's your time, folks. We're here to help. After the process is over, we're still here to help. Call us anytime. Family business, man. We treat family like family. We treat our customers like family. So, we love to earn your business. Thank you for your time.
Thanks, guys. See you soon.